In this video, we will show you how to replace your 211-2 dome light bulb. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started on our job. To easily remove the lamp assembly from the area, use a small pocket screwdriver or small prying device. Carefully get in between the front and the back side of this and gently pry to separate it. Once you have it pulled down, you have clear access to the bulb located inside. To remove this, I'll reach inside, grab that bulb, give it a little wiggle and pull it right out. Let's get ready to install the bulb. This is going to be a little bit harder than removing it. To do this, we'll carefully slide it in from one side into the metal prongs. Once you do that, line it up with the other side and press it into position. Double check to make sure it's secured in place. After that, go ahead and put it back up into the ceiling. Once you've done that, test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.